Good morning to all. So today we are going to discuss types of electrodes. In electrochemical cell, electrodes serve as electronic conductor, and we know very well that electrochemical cell consists of two electrodes. We need to use two metal plates as an electrode right there. Now, electrodes are also classified on the basis of their composition. So, depending upon composition of electrodes are classified or categorized. Now, let's see the types of electrodes. So, very first type is metal ion electrode. Now, metal ion electrode, as name indicates, it is a type of electrode which is assembled by immersing an electrode, I mean metal plate, in the solution having its own ions. I mean, electrode must be immersed in a solution containing its own ions. For example, in Daniell cell, both of the electrodes used are metal ion electrode. Now, in this type of electrode, what happens? Metal ion, suppose Mn plus aqueous, is in direct contact with the metal. So, the half reaction for such type of electrodes can be given as Mn plus aqueous plus N electrons gives M. This is the reduction half reaction. Now, number of examples of this type can be given. So, very familiar example is the zinc electrode used in the Daniell cell. So, half reaction for this is given as Zn2 plus aqueous plus electrons gives Zn solid. So, this is the reduction reaction for the given electrode. So, this is the very first type, what we call metal ion electrode. Now, second variety is non-metal ion electrode, which is popularly known as gas electrode. Now, in this type of electrode, remember we need to use inert like platinum to carry electrons from one part to another. So, inert is must. So, what happens right here? Inert metal is to be dipped in a solution having the ions, and we need to bubble a gas whose ions are present in the solution, and the electrode so called gas electrode or non-metal ion electrode. So, number of examples of this type can be given. So, very first example is hydrogen gas electrode. Now, what hydrogen gas electrode is exactly? In this type of electrode, platinum is used as an inert, and it is to be immersed in a solution of H plus ions, and hydrogen gas is needed to be bubbled in that. So, that can be merely represented as, so H2 should be bubbled at certain pressure, and platinum is inert used right here. Now, the half reaction for this is given as H plus aqueous plus electron gives half of H2 gas. So, this is the reaction taking place at the given electrode, I mean hydrogen gas electrode. Now, another example of this is the chlorine gas electrode. Chlorine gas electrode. Now this electrode is assembled by bubbling chlorine gas in a solution having chloride ions, and remember platinum is used as an inert which serves to make contact, I mean to transfer electrons from here and there. So this electrode, I mean Cl minus, is in contact with Cl2 gas and platinum is used as an inert. So what we are doing, we are bubbling chlorine gas in a solution of chloride ion where platinum is used as an inert. Now half reaction for this is given as, so half of Cl2 gas plus electron gives Cl minus aqueous is the half reaction taking place at this very electrode. Now another familiar example is oxygen gas electrode. Now this electrode consists of solution which contain OH minus ions and platinum as an inert, so we need to bubble oxygen gas in that solution. So the electrode so obtained can be given as, so this is the formulation of electrode. Now what type of reaction, I mean half reaction taking place in this electrode is given as, so half reaction would be half of O2 gas which we are going to bubble plus H2O liquid plus 2 electrons gives twice of OH minus aqueous. So this is the half reaction taking place at this electrode. This is also very important type of electrodes, what we call gas electrode. Now third very important variety of electrodes is, the third type is metal sparingly soluble salt electrode. Now in this type of electrode we need to cover metal with one of its sparingly soluble salt. I mean sparingly soluble salt of metal is to be deposited on metal, number one. Secondly, that metal, I mean metal coated by this one of the sparingly soluble salt of it, is to be immersed in a solution having negative ion, I mean anion, which is same present in this sparingly soluble salt coated. So we need to immerse that coated metal in a solution having anion to that of sparingly soluble salt. Then the electrode so obtained is nothing but the metal sparingly soluble salt electrode. One of the finest examples of it is Cl minus, single vertical line AgCl solid, single vertical line Ag solid. So this is one of the finest examples. What here we are doing, silver is coated by AgCl and that coated electrode is immersed in a solution having Cl minus ions. Cl minus ion is anion which is present in our sparingly soluble salt. So half reaction for this is given as AgCl solid plus electron gives Ag solid plus Cl minus aqueous. So this is the half reaction taking place if at all we are willing to use this as an electrode. Now fourth and very important type is redox electrode. Now redox electrode consists of an inert like platinum, and that inert is to be immersed in a solution which contain a same substance in two different valencies. I mean the two different ions in two different oxidation state of the same substance should present in that solution, and then the electrode so obtained is called redox reversible electrode. Now one of finest examples of it is Fe3 plus is in contact with Fe2 plus and inert is platinum. Now here remember iron into different oxidation states. I mean in a same solution, the two different ions of same material in two different oxidation state must present, and in such solution we need to immerse inert and electrode so obtained is called redox electrode. So half reaction for this is given as Fe3 plus aqueous plus electron gives Fe2 plus aqueous. Another example can be given is of Cu2 plus comma Cu plus Pt. So copper is in +2 and +1. I mean same substance in two different oxidation state are present in the solution, and in that solution we are immersing an inert like platinum. Now half reaction for this can be given as Cu2 plus aqueous plus electron gives Cu plus aqueous. So these are the types of electrodes on the basis of composition. Thank you very much.